It's a little precious. I was granted permission to do whatever I wanted to.
Oh dear.
Whenever I wanted to.
Oh yeah.
So I just want you to prepare yourself.
Oh dear.
I knew me who's
Weirdest crossover shit.
How do you feel about this?
I start tea! You don't want to start tea! What? I lost my phone over. I'll be back.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
I don't think you're okay.
I'm never okay.
How glorious is that?
You were videoing that, and I was like, set my butt up.
No, I didn't video that part.
No, you need to see this. Come here. I fucking hurt you. It was your only weapon. I'm first.
No, not the face. Give that back, please. Please. That must be on a lady.
Or lady.
On a lady. You're right.
Hey, cutie.
Yes, totally. There you go, perfect. That was perfect. Perfect. Alright.
We are... Hey, Mimi. We are heading back. We're splitting like half and half, which is not going to work with our car situation. Hello, Becca.
My iPad is up and I only have makeup on one eye.
Riding a camera. Worst decision that you've had to make this entire time.
Curly's mine.
Under my skin, underneath the depths of my sin, okay. No tears. Sure. You want to say that?
Okay, we're in the car. Some pumpkin, no crisis, sidekick hair, Mimi's cute.
Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Ah! We created a thing.
Triple pocket.
Yeah!
I just realized
This is the most ironic situation that I have ever been in my life.
So we got into an accident with an ambulance. Two people like clipped each other further down the road.
And this is barely over a week after Carly was in her last accident.
I'm only allowed off road.
But it was definitely their fault. They just sort of like slowed down and started.
Here, Sebastian's gonna take the camera
Ran in
for a
front
minute.
of me.
Check this out. This is an ambulance that we
That's
hit.
what we accidentally crashed into. Of all the things that could have been.
Oh,
it's just like, I can't.
So what happened is they were like slowing down in the middle of, like they started like slowing down really suddenly and like drifting into the middle of the road, and they started like they suddenly turned left, and they were completely impossible to miss. They looked like they were going to turn that way,
Hit each other.
and then they started going like this. It looked like they fell asleep at the wheel, honestly, is what it looked like.
I tried to stop. I slammed on my brakes.
Yeah, you did.
So I did this. And so we're kind of like sandwiched here. If I hadn't veered with them, it would have done this thing, and people would have been hurt. You handled it well.
Yeah.
You handled it better than
Yeah. Definitely wasn't your fault at all. It was definitely theirs.
They turned their lights on.
My pumpkin looks funny. Look at his hair. It just looks funny.
It's like Pence. So yeah, this is the most ironic situation I've ever been in.
Irony!
Ironically, and the running joke of the convention has been too close. I think we tempted fate. Grim.
Grimmy.
Hi, it wasn't our fault.
Grim there, too close. I tried so hard to stop. I swear to God I did.
Yeah, it was not Kristen's fault at all. Too close. Too close.
Turn around and show it. Too close.
Too close.
Too close. Look at our Mimi looks like a fucking model in mine. Like, look here. First we got this.
And then I'm like, oh, happy.
And then we got...
And then Alex was done.
Car crash rave! Car crash rave! Car crash rave!
Ain't no break for the party, bus.
So I tried to tell Marco what happened to the car, and I tried to say the wheel was jammed, except I'm in slight hysterics, so what I actually wrote was the wheel was jammed. She likes strawberry, I hope. Best way to...
Stop by an ambulance. Stop by an ambulance. Ow, wow, ow, ow, ow. Everything hurts. Suck this car ride. I'm really angry. I've already done this. Oh, shit! The ambulance just got us again. Now, obviously, as you can see, we can't go any fucking where. And you know what? From this, the ambulances came in, they got us. And because of that, the walls are fucking broken. Now, the other ambulances are gonna get in. And everything's gonna be taken over by the goddamn ambulances.